Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the start page on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to change the default start page to a certain folder. How do you actually go ahead and change the start page every time you go onto Feedly? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Feedly account. Next, you're going to click on your profile name and then click on settings. Once you've done so, you want to click on this general button right over here. And then from here, the first prompt is going to say start page. So you can see that the tooltip says, which page would you like Feedly to load when you start Feedly? So you can load the today page, you can actually set it to first folder, and you can also set it to all. So go ahead and change the start page by selecting one of these prompts, and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the start page on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.